Hello, everyone. Have you ever heard of a root that can calm your stomach, boost your immune system, and even help you stay healthy during the cold months? Sounds magical, right? Well, today we're going to dive into the amazing world of ginger, nature's powerful little root. Whether you've seen it in your tea, in your kitchen, or even in candies, ginger is packed with health benefits that might just surprise you. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll be rushing to add ginger to your diet every day. Ready to discover the power of ginger? Let's get started. Ginger comes from a plant called Zingiber officinale, and the part we use is the root, or more specifically, the rhizome. It has been used for thousands of years to help with digestion, soothe aches, and even as a natural medicine. But what makes ginger so special? The magic behind ginger lies in a natural chemical called gingerol. Gingerol is what gives ginger its spicy taste and also provides its powerful health benefits. Gingerol has strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which help your body fight off illness and stay healthy. Now that we know what ginger is, let's explore the amazing benefits it has for your health. Number 1. Ginger helps with digestion. Ever feel sick to your stomach or experience nausea? Ginger is a natural remedy for that. Ginger can calm an upset stomach and reduce nausea. Many people use ginger when they're feeling seasick or motion sick, and even pregnant women use it to help with morning sickness. So, the next time you feel a bit queasy, try a warm cup of ginger tea. It works like magic. Number 2. Ginger reduces inflammation. Inflammation is your body's way of protecting itself when something is wrong, like an injury or infection. But too much inflammation can cause pain and make you feel unwell. Ginger's natural anti-inflammatory properties help reduce swelling and ease pain. If you have sore muscles or aching joints, like from arthritis, ginger can help you feel better. Number 3. Ginger boosts your immune system. Want to stay healthy and avoid getting sick? Ginger is here to help. It has antioxidants that fight off harmful substances in your body. Drinking ginger tea regularly or adding it to your meals can help your body fight off germs and keep your immune system strong, especially during cold and flu season. Number 4. Ginger eases colds and coughs. Speaking of cold season, ginger is also fantastic for soothing a sore throat and reducing coughing. The warmth of ginger tea can ease that scratchy feeling in your throat, and the anti-inflammatory properties help with the swelling that can make you feel worse. Plus, it's a natural way to keep your body strong and recover faster when you're under the weather. Number 5. Ginger supports weight loss. Looking to shed a few pounds? Ginger might be able to help with that too. Ginger helps boost your metabolism, which means your body burns energy faster. It can also help reduce hunger, making it easier to stick to healthy eating habits. Adding ginger to your meals or enjoying it in a smoothie can be a simple way to support your weight loss journey. Safety tips. While ginger is amazing, it's important to remember that a little goes a long way. Eating too much ginger at once can upset your stomach or cause heartburn, so start small and see how your body reacts. Also, if you're taking medication or are pregnant, it's always a good idea to check with your doctor before using ginger supplements or consuming large amounts of it. Can I eat raw ginger? Yes, but it's very spicy. Start with small bites. How much ginger should I eat? About 1 to 2 teaspoons a day is good. Does ginger work right away? No, it takes time. Keep using it every day. Can kids eat ginger? Yes, but not too much. A little in food or tea is okay. What if I don't like the taste of ginger? Try mixing it with honey, lemon, or other flavors you like. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and hit the notification bell to our channel for more health tips like this one so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.